Hello everybody, good morning. Thank you for being here with me on a beautiful March 1st, Thursday morning. We're having a beautiful sunny day here in San Antonio. It's about time. It's been so foggy and gloomy and dreary. So now we're getting so excited because we're in March, and March means spring. March means we're going out there doing some exercise, maybe start walking and getting our groove back on so we can fit on our bathing suits for the summer. So today we're going to talk about peppermint. March is going to be a peppermint month, and we're going to learn all about the benefits of peppermint essential oil. How do we use it? How do we apply it? How it benefits our family, our kids, us moms that we're always on the go, and how I use personally this fantastic oil. Young Living has a peppermint regular label oil, and we also have the same oil in our Peppermint Vitality line. In your premium starter kit, when you become a member of Young Living, you get a Peppermint Vitality oil, which is basically simply labeled for your kitchen oil. You can cook with it. You can make peppermint brownies. You can make peppermint tea. Add it to your water, to your favorite beverage, because as you're going to know in this video, you're going to learn how good peppermint is for our digestion. So this is the same oil, two different bottles. This one is labeled for aromatic and topical use, and this one's for kitchen and recipe uses. So we're gonna learn how I use peppermint and why peppermint is one of the most favorite essential oils in the world. Peppermint and peppermint vitality oil. Well, we want to know that you want to know that peppermint is the oldest and most highly regarded herb in the world. And the reason why it's so highly regarded is because it soothes digestion. It's a great oil that is a digestive stimulant. It promotes the bioproduction in the liver and release of it in the gallbladder. So it helps us with digesting fats and heavy foods. So I always have peppermint in the kitchen because after we have maybe a large meal a little bit late at night, I always add a drop of peppermint to my water before I go to bed. And it helps me with my digestion and have a good night's sleep. So there, I just gave you a tip how I use peppermint vitality. Another thing is the aroma of peppermint is very purifying and stimulating to the mind. I use peppermint combined with lemon in the kitchen because that's when we are doing our homework. We sit at this table. This is our breakfast table, and this is where the kids do their reading and do some of their practicing of writing numerals and writing sentences or words, especially for Andres. This is where he works with his Sunrise volunteers. And I always try to have either lavender or peppermint going on. When we need extra support for concentration, then it's peppermint and lemon in that diffuser, and it just smells amazing throughout the kitchen. And it also helps purify the air if I'm cooking fish or something like that. Peppermint and lemon also makes our kitchen smell really nice and our whole house smell really good. Peppermint oil inhaled during mental tasks may support attention. So that's when we use peppermint when we're doing homework. Peppermint is a huge favorite to people all around the world. This oil is in the purest form of peppermint and is so potent that 1 drop of oil is equivalent to about 27 cups of pure peppermint tea. Think about that. 1 drop of peppermint oil is equivalent to 27 cups of peppermint tea. So if you're having problem with digestion, just reach out for your peppermint oil and you can make a nice tea with it. Just warm a cup of water, add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint, probably just 1 is very potent, and just drink it like that with a little bit of honey if you wish, but it will help you soothe your digestion. Peppermint's primary active component is menthol, and this one is extracted from the leaves and the flowering tops of the peppermint plant. If you want to know more uses about the peppermint oil, I'd suggest you Google it because it's amazing. The list goes on and on. Peppermint is used for so many different things. This is such an awesome aroma. When my mother's having a little bit of tension headaches, she has a little bit of problems with regulating her blood pressure. The first oil that she reaches for, and she always carries it in her bag, is peppermint oil because it helps her soothe, it helps release tense muscles. So she may rub it in the back of her neck, in the top of her forehead, in the back of the ears, or in the pulse points, which is right here in your wrist. And it actually helps regulate to normal blood pressure levels, and it helps you also soothe tension in muscles. So it releases some of that tension headache that she may have. Some other benefits of this particular oil are supports digestion. We talked about that. Cools down the body. So if you feel a little bit overheated, you can help yourself with peppermint oil. You put it in a washcloth, in a cool washcloth. You put some peppermint oil in a cool water. You dip the washcloth in the basin of the water and the oil, and then you can just put it right here and cool yourself down or in your forehead. It supports respiratory health. It soothes muscles after working out. It may help improve concentration, and it may help curb appetite. Also, it can be really helpful to pregnant women during that first trimester. Just by inhaling peppermint oil, you may soothe the feelings of discomfort in the mornings that you may have when you're pregnant and you're in that first trimester. Peppermint oil is such a great oil to help you cope with that. And definitely so much more uses. Like I said, you can Google it up. It's amazing. Peppermint Vitality Oil is included in the premium starter kit, like we said. And although we still have regular peppermint in our house, we use both. I carry the little peppermint in my purse. I put it in the car because sometimes when the kids are having, they're getting a little crazy, I may also put a little peppermint in a wooden clothespin and clip it to the air fresheners or the air vents of the air conditioning on the car, and then peppermint oil goes all around the car, especially if there's people that are eating and food is going around. Peppermint oils makes the car really smell good. If we're going on long trips, also peppermint helps with settling our nerves or settling our stomach if we're getting a little car sick. It's a great oil. I have peppermint in my house all the time. I actually use it also in the spring months when there's a lot of irritants in the air. I may add 10 drops of peppermint to a glass roller bottle, and then I fill it up with coconut oil, and then see that metal ball? It's a roller. So then I can roll peppermint to soothe myself right in the back of the neck, right on my belly. Right here by the belly button. You just want to rub it around in circular motions around your belly button, and it will help you also settle your stomach that way. This is the coconut oil that I'll use. Usually it's fractionated coconut oil because I want it to stay liquid all the time, and this is a great way to carry my peppermint oil in my purse and just put it when I need a little support, a little concentration. Maybe my day is going a little crazy and I just reach for it, and I love having peppermint near me. So anyway, we're going to be talking about peppermint all the month of March. Next Thursday, I'm not sure if I'm going to be talking about peppermint because I'm going to be going on a trip. I'm going to Honduras, but I will be coming on live if I can from the airport and just give you guys a shout out. If not, we'll continue talking about peppermint, its uses, its benefits, and some common recipes how I use peppermint at home, okay? So take care. Thank you for joining me today. Go get your peppermint out. It's a beautiful day. Go get some exercise, rub it on your muscles, and enjoy your day. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.